Also, a news alert at this hour, the University of Miami is going back to these virtual-only classes for the start of the spring semester. The university will hold only online classes until at least January 31st. When students return, they will be required to test negative for COVID before being allowed back on campus. Fox 35's Randy Hildreth joins us live on this story. And Randy, you reached out to some local K-12 schools about changes there.
Hey, good afternoon, good evening. Again, I did reach out to local school districts in our area. I heard back from Brevard County Public Schools, the information officer there, saying that no new information to pass along to parents just yet. But as you mentioned, we started to see colleges and universities and some K-12 schools across Florida update COVID safety precautions ahead of students' return.
We were doing so well prior to like 2 weeks ago. I wasn't even doing any more COVID testing. Now, after the holiday break, it's just been nonstop.
Pediatric doctor Fatin Jafar says families are coming in less than a week before their child heads back to school to see if they're sick with COVID or to get the vaccine.
We're seeing a lot of kids that are sick.
Orange County health leaders announced Tuesday 32% of 5 to 17-year-olds in the county are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. It had distributed 126,000 at-home COVID tests to students and staff ahead of class start January 4th. By Thursday afternoon, no updated announcements from public schools in Central Florida about return to campus plans. But Miami-Dade Superintendent may have set the tone with his announcement of a new mask requirement come Monday.
All adults entering Miami-Dade County Public Schools facilities shall be wearing masks. We are strongly encouraging students, all students at all grade levels, to wear masks at all times.
At the college level, the University of Miami announced it will start the spring semester remotely. Rollins College announced this week masks are required in all campus buildings regardless of vaccination status. Families at Lake Eola Thursday said they are preparing for the start of school amid a COVID surge as best they can.
Everybody's vaccinated, even little one now has, fully vaccinated. So I feel that, we've done everything we could to prepare, to protect, kids and, people at school.
My mom, she's kind of concerned. However, she is taking precautions to get ready to send them back to school with Lysol, sanitizer, masks, especially.
Dr. Jafar is recommending parents get back to the basics with COVID safety ahead of back to school.
My recommendation is go back to mask wearing, definitely. Mask wearing, send some sanitizer, hand sanitizer with them. Maybe do a test beforehand.
And Miami-Dade Superintendent pointed out today that his district is seeking legal advice about their COVID safety plan. As you remember, the state legislators passed legislation that limits schools being able to do a mask mandate for students and COVID quarantines under certain conditions. Live in Orlando, Randy Hildreth, Fox 35 News.